अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम सिविल डिक्टेशन डिक्टेट करने जा रहे हैं। तो डिक्टेशन स्टार्ट करने से पहले मेरी आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है, चैनल पर नए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें, लाइक कर दें और बेल आइकन को ऑल पर प्रेस कर दें ताकि मैं जो भी डिक्टेशन अपलोड करूं उसका नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुंच सके। जी रेडी? 3, 2, 1 स्टार्ट। मिस्टर मोहम्मद इलियास खान, advocate, lended legal advisor of the revenue, however, supports the impugned order of the tribunal, which, as noted earlier, looked at the proposition from an entirely different angle. Full stop. They interpreted the provisions of Section 23A to be merely a different rate of tax for a certain portion of total income in cases certain conditions were answered. Full stop. He repeats that it is a simple case herein the aforesaid provisions of Section 23A provided that total income of the company was to be taxed at 30% and the other portion of the total income, which was equal to the undistributed income, to yet another charge of 25%. Full stop. He explains that this charge of tax was on total income and not on undistributed income. Full stop. Also, he disagrees with the claim of the learned counsel for the petitioner applicant that subsection 2 of Section 23A providing basis for calculation of the amount was impracticable. Full stop. To make his point, he supports the computation of income subjected to enhanced rate of 25% as earlier done by the assessing officer in the 2 years involved. Full stop. New para. After considering the arguments from both the sides, we are persuaded to agree that the learned income tax appellate tribunal rightly concluded in favor of the revenue that the provisions of Section 23A of the Income Tax Act were neither charging provisions nor these were required to be so. Full stop. Also, that there was absolutely no question of doubt taxation in as much as it was only one income earned till the end of the previous year which was assumed, though while calculating the tax liability a certain portion of income equal to undistributed profits was subjected to a higher rate of tax. Full stop. It is certainly correct that provisions in question neither created a new levy nor deemed any sum to be income of the SSC which otherwise did not fall within its purview. Full stop. Learned counsel for the revenue is also correct in pointing out that Section 23A does not create any fictional income in as much as subsection 1 only defines as to what will be deemed to be undistributed income of a company for previous year, while subsection 2 proceeds to show as to how that undistributed income is to be calculated. Full stop. Also, he rightly points out that no dispute as to the meaning of calculation could now be entertained in as much as before the tribunal the SSC did not dispute the computation made by the assessing officer. Full stop.